in this problem, we want to find the number of numerals, which means numbers, for the positive integers less than or equal to 2017 contain the digits 0. Well, the strategy is to figure out how many do not contain 0. Then we subtract from 2017, right? There are 2017 positive integers. So here's how we are going to do that. First of all, no zeros. We just need to find how many numbers that have no zeros. 4 digits. Let's look at the 4 digits. 4 digits numbers. It cannot begin with 2, because if it begins with 2, then there's no 0, right? We do not count no zeros. So that, less than 2017 must have 0. So we don't consider this case. No, this case. So in other words, it should begin with 1. Now, how many ways to pick the second and the third and the fourth digit? It will be 9. So I'm going to say 9 choose 1, right? And then 9 choose 1. 9 choose 1 can repeat. The digits can repeat. So therefore 9 cubed. And then we look at 3 digits. And then for 3 digits numbers, the first one we have 9 choose 1. Second one 9 choose 1. Third one 9 choose 1. Just don't choose 0. So there were 9 cubed, another 9 cubed. Similarly, 2 digits. It's going to be 9 choose 1 and then 9 choose 1. So there were 9 square numbers. And 1 digit, not 0, only 9. When you add these together, 9 cubed, there were 2 9 cubes. So you get 1548. Therefore, how many numbers that contain 0? You have total 2017 minus 1548. That would be the count.